Hi there. If you are passionate about cyber, then welcome for a different kind of cyber security learning experience. I'm Nikunj Gohil and I'm excited to kick off this new video series with you. In this series, we won't be diving into the usual theory or the lectures. We are all about getting our hands dirty on the practical to solving real world platforms and real world problems, and most importantly providing the practical solutions. See here, what's the unique in this video series means. Now, before we dive into the exciting world of cybersecurity labs, let me tell you how this series is different. What sets this video series apart from the rest? You see, there is a plenty of amazing YouTube channels there is out offering the traditional cybersecurity theory and lecture, and that's fine, that's good. But here we are taking a different path. Here we are going to dive into a different practical scenario. We are going to solve the real world problems, providing the practical solutions, and also we are planning to start from scratch. Now, maybe you have these questions that there are also multiple platform, plenty platform available for the cybersecurity labs. So yes, that's right. Okay, but what is our missions? Our mission is clear that we want to make you from absolute beginner to a cybersecurity pro. Okay, ranging from beginner to advanced. So now let me tell you what is the important things for this practical lab. Okay, how this will help you to build a career in cybersecurity. So, before we jump, let's talk about practical labs imported in the cyber world. Not only for the jobs, no doubt jobs is there and career you need to build. It's also useful for the real scenario and also useful for cracking interview. Also useful to solve the doubts and securing you, yourselves, and your organizations. So the cybersecurity is isn't about just reading textbook and memorizing definitions. It's about a real world problem solving. That's why the practical is important. They allow us to apply what we are learned and developed and the skills needed to protect ourselves and other in the digital world. Plus, what the thing here extra with the ever evolving cyber threats out there, practical experience is like armor against the bad guys and it helps us how attacker think and operate. Obviously, if we are able to do the practical properly, we logically need to think in a hacker way, and if we able to think in a hacker way, that lots of problem is solved there. The most of the things till now I find in my students that not the solution but the finding problem is the issue, and that is only because that they are not able to think as a attacker or hacker. So now let's know about the starting point of practical labs. So in the practical labs, as I told you, that our mission that we want to take you from the absolute beginner to the cybersecurity pro. So I research about all available platforms and then I find out that for the beginner, there are no better place than hack this site. Maybe some people already see this platform, but what the different here? What the thing is, we need to start from beginning, and it's not only about this. Okay, this series is going beyond. Not only the hack this side, but multiple practical labs we are going to cover in this series. Okay, hack this side is just a beginning. As a beginner, as I told you our mission, then we try to cover other labs like a try hack me or hack the box. Okay, little bit intermediate level and advanced level, and also not will end here. We'll try to cover many more other labs step by step in the series. Okay,